Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous classes, we have learned about the Dobeliner triads and the Newland law of octaves. In this class, we are going to study about the Mendel's periodic table. Now let's look at the one of the greatest achievement of the Mendel's periodic table. His prediction about the elements that had not even been discovered. When Mendel arranged the known elements according to their atomic masses, he noticed that same position in his periodic table were empty. Instead of assuming his table was wrong, he confidently predicted that new elements would eventually be discovered to fill it. Let's discuss two examples, Ica aluminium and the Ica silicon. First is Ica aluminium. Ica means one below in Sanskrit. Since this unknown element was expected to be placed below the aluminium, right? Mendel named it as Ica aluminium and he predicted his atomic mass to be around 68, its density to be around 5.9 gram per centimeter cube, and its formula of oxide is Ea2O3 and formula of chloride is EaCl3. Right. A few years later, in 1875, French scientist Bois Baudran discovered a new element called it as gallium. Right. When scientists compared gallium's actual properties with Mendel's prediction, they found an amazing match. Gallium atomic mass is 69.72 and its density is 5.9 gram per centimeter cube and its oxide is Ga2O3 and its chloride is GaCl3 and its melting point is 29.76. This was strong evidence that Mendel's periodic table was correct. Now let's move to the second example, that is Ica silicon. So the unknown element was expected to be come below the silicon, right? Mendel named it as Ica silicon. He predicted its atomic mass of around 72 and its density is 5.5 gram per centimeter cube and its formula of oxide is ESO2 and its formula of chloride is EaCl4. Later in 1866, German scientist Clement Winkler discovered germanium. Again, the actual properties match with the Mendel's prediction were very closely. Germanium has an atomic mass 72.63 and its density is 5.32 gram per centimeter cube and its oxide is GaO2 and its chloride is GaCl4, right? And its properties metalloids and the semiconductor. This remarkable agreement amazed scientists around the world and proved the accuracy of Mendel's periodic table. This successful prediction and later discovery of gallium and germanium showed that Mendel's periodic table was based on the scientific principle rather than coincidence. His ability to predict the unknown elements became one of the strongest reasons why his periodic table gained worldwide acceptance. Student, you have to just remember the 2 points, that the successful discovery of gallium, that is Ica aluminium, and germanium, that is Ica silicon, exactly as predicted by the Mendel, is considered as one of the greatest achievements in the history of chemistry. Now let's understand why Mendel's periodic table had to be modified and how the modern periodic table came into existence. Mendel's periodic table was a revolutionary achievement in chemistry. He arranged all the known elements according to their increasing atomic masses, and this classification worked well for many elements. However, there were a few limitations. First, Mendel's periodic table was based on the atomic masses, not the atomic number. Second, at the same time, scientists did not know about the internal structure of an atom. Particles like electrons, protons, neutrons had not yet been discovered. So Mendel had no knowledge of atomic structure. As a result, some elements were placed in an incorrect position. For example, like position of argon and potassium as well as the cobalt and nickel could not be explained correctly based on the atomic masses. So, because of these limitations, scientists realized that the periodic table needed to be improved. So, later the discovery of subatomic particles and the better understanding of atomic structure completely changed our knowledge of atoms. The most important breakthrough came in 1930 when Henry Moseley proved that atomic number, not the atomic mass, is the fundamental property of element. Okay, so the atomic number is the fundamental property of an element. This discovery solved the problem of Mendel's table and provided a more accurate and the scientific classification of elements. This led to the development of the modern periodic table, which we use today. So remember these important points. Mendel's arranged the elements according to atomic mass, whereas the modern periodic table is arranged according to the atomic number. So Mendel's periodic table arranged according to their atomic masses, and modern periodic table arranged according to their atomic number. Okay. So these 2 points you have to remember for this slide. Let's learn the Henry Moseley contribution. So far, we have studied the Doverian triads, Newland law of octaves and the Mendel's periodic table. Although Mendel's table was a great achievement, it still had some limitations because it was based on the atomic mass. In 1930, an English physicist named as a Henry Moseley solved this problem. Moseley studied the X-ray spectra emitted by the different element. He bombarded metal atom with the high energy electrons. As a result, the atom emitted X-ray with the characteristic wavelength. He measured this X-ray, discovered a very important relationship. He found that the square root of the frequency of the X-ray increased linearly with the atomic number of the element. Okay, so this is the experimental arrangement of the Henry Moseley. Okay, so this relationship is known as a Moseley law, which can be written as a root mu is equal to k bracket of z minus sigma, where k and sigma are the constant. Mu is the frequency of the X-ray and z is the atomic number. Okay, so the most important conclusion from the Moseley work was the atomic number, not the atomic mass, is the fundamental property of an element. This completely changed the way of elements were arranged. Scientists realized that if the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic number, all the anomalies present in the Mendel's periodic table disappear. Moseley's discovery became the basis of the modern periodic table that we use today. So remember this important exam point. So Mendel's arranged elements according to the atomic mass, whereas the Moseley proved that elements should be arranged according to the atomic number. This was one of the greatest milestones in the history of chemistry. Okay, so this is the X-ray spectra of an element. This is the spectra of calcium. 20 is the atomic number of calcium. This is the spectra of titanium. This is the spectra of iron, and this is the spectra of copper. Okay, so this is the wavelength. As the atomic number increases, the X-ray shift towards shorter wavelength. Okay, so the square root of frequency is directly proportional to the atomic number. This proves that atomic number, not the atomic mass, determine the properties of a element, right? So from the Henry Moseley experiment, we can conclude that Henry Moseley studied the X-ray spectra. Okay, he discovered the concept of atomic number. Discovered the concept of atomic number, right? And prove that atomic number is the basis of periodic classification. Atomic number is the basis of periodic classification and laid the foundation of modern periodic table. Okay, so this is all about the Moseley contribution in the periodic table, and we will study the next topic in the next classes. Until then, take care. Bye bye.